Hey, I'm home. Oh! 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 This is so much bigger than I thought it would be. Yep. Give me a second. Okay. It looks good. Oh. The definition. Holy sheep. Is this too big? Is it too? No, it's good. No. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is my new TV. This is the Samsung Q800T QLED 8K TV. I got the 75-inch model. I'm not just a relatively short human. This is actually huge. This is the TV's remote. It is slim and sleek and it's called the One Remote. You can easily control your compatible devices with just this. Not only do you have these buttons to quickly open up Netflix, Prime Video, or browse the web, but you can also talk to it. Switch to my Xbox. The picture quality is incredible. It's 16 times the resolution of Full HD. This is going to be incredible for gaming, especially with the next-gen gaming consoles. For how big the TV is, this is pretty slimline, and man, this is going to complete my gaming setup. I need to show you one of my favorite features, the inbuilt cable management. I've got the power cable running through the back here, and I can also thread through extras like my HDMI cables and my TV antenna. Now look at how well I was able to hide my cables. That's impeccable cable management. It also has 8K AI upscaling, which means your TV will upscale your favorite content to 8K resolution. 8K, people! Which also means 8K gaming. Ooh. Whether you play on Xbox or PlayStation, you're ready to play 8K gaming content now or in the future. This baby will future-proof you, and you are ready to go with the best gaming experience you can get. It has ALLM, VRR, FreeSync Premium, and HDMI 2.1. This means you've got 4K gaming at 120 Hz. I mean, look how good it looks. It looks stunning in here. Stunning. It's the dream gaming setup. But anyway, I'll tell you guys more about it in an upcoming video, and for now, I'm Elly Awesome, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.